Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nara Shifa Asila, and today I will explain about our topic. Our topic is language learner, especially about learning style, learning strategy, and motivation. So the first is language learner. When we learn language, it's not only about uh, about the teacher or what book we read, but also about ourselves as learners. So there is cars. So the first we will ex- we will the first I will explain about learner characteristic. uh, every learner is different. We are not empathy. We already have experience, ability, and our way of learning. Some factor cannot be controlled by teacher. Some factor cannot be controlled by teacher, like age, gender, or language aptitude. For example, like older student can learn faster than younger student, and some people have a natural talent, but others can still learn uh, but others can still learn with effort. So learn language everyone can learn language if they try, if they want to confident to learn language. Okay, the next is learning style. So learning style is mean how we like to learn. There are three main types. The first is sensory style. There are three style. The first is sensory style, and then the second is cognitive style, and then personality style. So sensory style, it's like our visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. So visual is like learn by saying. Like we learn language by saying what we say in front of us, or yeah. So visual is learning by saying, and then auditory is learn by listening. So it's like when we have task TOEFL or what, from that we learn by listening. And then kinesthetic is learn by doing. We learn the language by what we're doing. And then cognitive style is about global and detail. For global is focused on the big idea, while the detail is focused on small details. And then personality style is about in personality style, because it's our personality also. There is extrovert and introvert. Extrovert is like talking with friends, talking with other, or talking with another strangers. And then while introvert is like working alone. We learn a language alone, like just doing by yourself. So the important from the style is three style. There is no best style. There is no the best style because it's different. It's how to say? It's different. Uh, it's because everyone is different. Yeah. Be- Everyone have a style, uh, have have a style, have a different style for learning language. And then the next is learner strategy. Now we talk about we talk about the learner strategy. Is Strategy is ways or action to help when we learning. So there are two types. The first is learning strategy. There are two main types. The first is learning strategy and then language use strategy. So learning strategy is used to understand our language. Is to understand language. For example, like memorizing vocabulary and then learning grammar. For language use strategy is used when we communicate with other or with a stranger person. For example, like paraphrasing, using gesture, or asking for help. The next is types. There are types of strategy. Before that is the main types. This is there are also types of strategies. So there are four types. The first is cognitive, metacognitive, affective, and social. So cognitive is thinking, is learning by thinking and remembering, while the cognitive is learning by planning and checking what we learn in language. Affective is like controlling emotion, and social is learning with others. We're learning language with others, like communication or to test our communication is good or not. Yeah, like for example, like practice speaking, plan study, reduce anxiety for affective, and asking friend is for social, like I said before. The last topic is motivation. So motivation is very important because it gives us energy to learn language. So motivation is not fixed, it can change. Like it can change, like what we need, what motivation we need. So there are three stages. The first is start motivation, process motivation, and reflection motivation. So start motivation is like why we begin learn this, while process motivation is like how we continue this learning, what we should do. And then reflection motivation is like how we feel after we learning about language, about this language, about second language. So there are also types motivation. Type motivation is like interrogative and instrumental. Interrogative is like want to connect with people or culture. Instrumental is for job, money, or the goal. Yeah, I think that's all I can explain about our topic today. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.